I almost forgot to show you how I was going to get this mastic, this tar stuff off of this putty knife. And you take your standard WD-40, yeah, that's right. Just spray that on there. And that works for your hands too. Let's just see how it does for this. Because I really wanted to use this putty knife for something else. So I guess I better saturate this some more. Now, if you want to keep this putty knife just for this, you could wrap it up in plastic, let's say, or something like that. Or you can just take it right off with your WD. Look at that. Spray a little bit more on here. That's just the standard WD. WD-40. Oh yeah, baby. I like to say baby a lot, don't I? Okay. And I got it all on the handle. And so I figure I might as well kind of, since I'm into it, I might as well clean that off best I can. Wish I had some more paper towel here. Oh, I do. I came prepared. And I can use this for a scraper again. Putty knife, scraper on the floor, whatever I want. It's all nice and clean. And I wanted to show you, if you get stuff on your hands, I don't have a lot on my hands because I was pretty clean about it, wasn't I? But I can just take it. Get my hands clean. Just using my WD-40. And then I'll take some hand soap when I get back inside, you know, to get the rest of it off. It just takes off most of the stickiness of the mastic and everything. Yeah. My good friend WD-40 has come through once again. Thank you, WD. WD, my friend. Are you sure 15-20 minutes ago I used this putty knife right here to do a roof patch with tar, and I hardly got it anywhere on me? Yeah, you know the answer to that.